Hello, everyone. Well, here we are. Opening night. You know, somebody once told me that making movies was easy. Yeah, you know what else is easy? Open heart surgery.
Oh, yes!
Yeah, thanks for coming, Fuad.
Oh, it's funny because open heart surgery is not easy at all.
Yeah, calm down, Fuad.
Oh.
So, without further dudes, let's watch this thing.
Oh.
At first, I didn't believe in women and unicorns, but that was before I knew about the power of chick stuff, and before I knew vagina hurts.
Sorry.
When Vagina was first born, I had a small heart and a lot to learn.
Push, honey. Hurry up and give me my baby boy.
Cleveland, more SpaghettiOs.
Oh, good, a baby. Oh, no, it's a girl, and I hate girls. But one day, Vagina went swimming too soon after eating a sandwich, and this happened.
Help! Help! I'm drowning! Help!
We gotta get this woman to surgery time! Right stat now!
But it was too late, and she died from an angry hymen. Finn.
Wow, that was the worst piece of crap I've ever seen.
Oh my God, that was an abomination. That was
Sit through that. My ass is actually sore. My ass is actually sore.